The first assistant engineer 1AE is a senior officer in the ship's engineering department responsible for the operation, maintenance, and safety of the vessel's machinery and systems. Key responsibilities include 1. Engine room operations. Overseeing daily engine room operations, ensuring machinery functions properly and complying with regulations. 2. Maintenance and repairs. Managing maintenance and repairs of engines and systems, ensuring reliability and minimizing downtime. 3. Watchkeeping. Standing engine room watch, monitoring engine performance, and coordinating with the chief engineer. 4. Team supervision. Leading the engine room crew, training junior engineers, and ensuring adherence to procedures. 5. Safety and emergency response, ensuring safety standards, conducting emergency drills, and assisting in crisis situations. 6. Fuel and lubrication systems, managing fuel storage, transfer, and consumption, and ensuring proper lubrication. 7. Environmental compliance, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations on waste disposal, emissions, and pollutants. 8. Documentation and reporting, keeping maintenance logs and reporting machinery status to the chief engineer. 9. Collaboration, coordinating with other departments to support operational needs. 10. Spares and inventory management, managing spare parts inventory and liaising with suppliers for necessary parts. The first OE supports the chief engineer in maintaining smooth operation of the ship's systems,